Alright guys, let's solve this equation fast and easily. It says 3 root x plus x is equal to 2. How do we solve this? First thing I do is to move this x to the right hand side. Okay, so I'm going to have 3 root x is equal to 2 minus x. At this point I can now decide to square both sides. So I'll raise this side to the power 2 and I'll raise this side to the power 2. 3 squared is 9. Root x squared is x, and this is equal to 2 squared is 4, minus x squared is positive x squared, and I have 2 times minus x is minus 2x times 2 is minus 4x. Collecting like terms, I have x squared minus 4x, this going there is minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. You have x squared minus 13x plus 4 is equal to 0. It's at this juncture that we apply the quadratic formula. So we have 13 plus or minus square root of 13 squared is 169 minus 16 all over 2, and this is equal to x. Now 169 minus 16 is 153, and then we have 13 plus 153 over 2, or 13 minus 153 over 2 to be equal to x. Okay, and once you impute this in the calculator, you get the decimal values of x. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.